Why does water look frothy when waves crash into the shore? STEM concepts in play. Air and water interaction. Surface tension. Scattering of light. Role of chemicals. What does it all mean? When waves break, they trap air bubbles in the water. The froth is created as these bubbles rise and reflect light. The agitation of the water reduces its surface tension, allowing air bubbles to penetrate and mix with the water. Warmer water also reduces surface tension, increasing frothiness. Natural surfactants, such as proteins and oils from marine life, are present in the water. These surfactants reduce surface tension, facilitating foam formation. Changes in salinity can also affect surface tension and froth formation. The constant pounding of waves against the shore provides the mechanical energy needed to create and sustain foam. More energetic waves create more froth. The froth looks white because the bubbles scatter all wavelengths of visible light equally, similar to how clouds appear white. Organic materials, salts, and other substances in seawater stabilize the bubbles, prolonging their existence. Hungry for more? Check out our other videos on this channel.